A pregnant woman on a train, about to give birth now.
The train was actually stopped and she was going into labor in the train.
The lady was actually having a baby on Christmas on the L. Couldn't believe it.
As the very soon-to-be mom laid back on the seat, the two transit cops took over.
I was like, hey guys, get your gloves.
She was focusing on breathing and looking at her, making sure her condition was cool.
A baby boy born right there on the train. Officer James noticed the umbilical cord wrapped around the baby's neck. He untangled it. Passengers looking on in amazement.
Yeah, she definitely got her present.
Moments later, the baby cuddled by one of the emergency responders. And today, this emotional reunion. This Christmas baby's name? Chris, of course. Ron Claiborne, ABC News, New York.